is a live trade which is ongoing in Nifty. So you might have observed I've been very bullish in Nifty for this week. I'm expecting some outrageous targets, but let's follow step by step. So today's trade explained is still ongoing. Just a disclaimer. So first two candles were doji candles, and the third candle was a fake candle which really told me that a big move is going to come. So I waited patiently for that high to cross, and I took 22,500 call option, and when it was crossed, and booked a little at 22, first target of 22,659. Now waiting for 22,735 and 22,810. Both are possible, I think, today. It depends, because Nifty is nicely, if you see the structure, it's beautifully holding and moving up in a very orderly manner, which usually indicates a long run. Could be wrong. So if it starts going below this, then I know that the momentum of the day is gone, and then I'll wait for 130 for the next trade. So it's probably, I hope this will be the only trade that I take today on Nifty, and I'm willing to sacrifice a little bit of profit for a huge target like 28, 22, 810. So these are the kind of big move days that we must capture, and once we enter the right place, because now we're talking about 1:6 if it goes here, and 1:4 if it goes here. That's huge in options. So let's see how it goes, and thank you for joining in. Keep supporting. Bye bye.